everyone, welcome back to my channel, Manicured by Jill. And today I'm going to do some swatching of these beautiful dips that I purchased from, this is my first purchase actually, from this company, Daisy Dips Nail Co. Look how cute the packaging is. I love that. It's so cute. So I bought 3 to try out. And they all are so cool because they all do something really interesting. So I wanted like a sun changer, a temp changer, and I just wanted a little bit of sparkle, a little bit of flakies, so I'm excited about these. I can't remember which one does what, so I guess we will find out in time, but I'm gonna get started on swatching. Okay, so this is Snowberry. Excuse my nails. I removed my press-ons just yesterday and they're a little rough, so don't mind that. So check out this color. It's so pretty. Look at that. I love that. So pretty. I can't wait to swatch this. So I'm gonna start with this one first. So I've got my little swatch stick. I've got my base, and I put a little G on there because I do my glitters with this one because I don't want to contaminate my solid colors, so I always mark it with a G so that I know not to contaminate my my other swatches, my other products that I use with glittery stuff. So if this one gets glitter on it, it's fine because this has glitter in it already, so you won't even notice. You guys, look at that. Super easy to work with too. I really like this. It's almost like a rainbow, kind of. Like color shifting a little bit. That is really pretty. So that's one dip of Snowberry. Super pretty. Here is Spring Court. I want to say this is the UV changer. I think it is. Look at that. Super pretty. I really love like the flakes and little like silvery little shards in there. I'm excited to see this one. Okay, swatch stick number 2. I'm so curious to see the color changes too, like when I actually wear these, like when I do my own nails. I'm excited to see it. I have also done it on press-on nails and I wasn't sure if it was gonna work, but I did actually use a Revel nail color that had a temperature changer, Whirlpool, and it actually worked on the press-ons. So it still changed color, even though it wasn't on my real nails. So I was really surprised to see that. That was really cool. So I might even do these like on my press-on nails because it should probably work. So this is one layer. It's a really pretty color, like a nice pale pink. Super pretty. And then Warmest Regards. Let's see this one. Oh, that's really pretty. I think this is the 3-way. I think it changes to like different shades of this color, if I remember. And I think it's a temperature changer. It's just a really pretty, subtle shimmer. I was super impressed with like the presentation too. Like when I opened it, It was such a cute little surprise. I even got a little piece of Airheads candy that she gave me with my set, and then she also gave me this little baggie with some, it looks like those orange wood sticks. So they look like the points and stuff. I thought that was so nice of her to throw that in there too. So I love the freebies. I thought that was so sweet and so kind, and I just loved it. Okay, so this is one layer of each color. So I'm gonna do one more dip and then I'll activate and we'll go from there. I feel like Snowberry is like a party in a jar. Like, I'm really loving this. So I have my glittery brush too. So I also have like one for glitter and then one for solid colors so that I don't get glitter all over my solid swatches. So I'm just gonna brush it off, get all that extra glitter off. And then I'm gonna do my second layer. I feel like these colors are pretty easy to work with. There's nothing worse than when you open like a brand new dip and then it's super difficult and you're just like struggling the whole way through. Okay, and then I wipe off my brush to get all that extra off my brush since it touched the color. And I'm just kind of dipping it. That's only 2 dips. That's just so pretty. I'm so glad I got this color. Super impressed. Okay, so we've got 2 layers of this gorgeous dip. So now I'm just gonna brush off the excess for each one. So then we'll be ready to activate. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'll stop obsessing and we'll move on to the next color. I really love all 3 of these. They're all so different. And I love flakes. They're just, I don't know, so whimsical, and I just really like that. That's really cool. I like the shimmers too. Lately I've just been really into like color changers and glows, and I've been trying to venture out into more of the small businesses. So that's been nice, like trying new companies, and it's just been really fun, like trying different colors, and yeah. I love how she does her jars too, like that's really cute, like the label, and I don't know, it's just really cute. I like that. Okay, so now it's time to activate. So this is just the Kiss brand that I use for my activator. And I'm generous with it, although these are swatches, so I'm not like gonna be crazy like liberal with this stuff because I don't want to use up too much of it. Okay, I kind of soaked that one. Okay. And then we wait for 2 minutes. All right, so we've activated and time flies. We're done waiting for our 2 minutes to be up, and this is what it looks like with the activator on. It's just slightly darker than it was before the activator, and it's still super pretty. I did want to note to you guys that I do my swatches differently than I do my real nails. If I was doing this on my real nails, I would have dipped a layer of clear over this to encapsulate and protect the glitter and everything and the colors, especially with the flakes. Since I'm not buffing these because these are my swatches, this will be a lot faster, and I'm not going to bother with that because this is just to show the color. But if I was actually going to be dipping this for my real nails or my press-ons that I'm going to wear, I would definitely put that layer of clear over because that's going to protect your color and your flakes when you're buffing it. So I just wanted to make sure you guys knew that for when you're swatching, if you can do either way. For me, like I said, my swatches are just to see the color at a quick glance, to be like, okay, this will go with that. I'm not really a perfectionist with my swatches, so yeah. So I'm just gonna file, since I'm not gonna buff. I'm just gonna shape it a little bit, just make it, like, clean it up a little bit, make it look a little bit nicer for you guys. Okay, it is time for top coat. So I have my top coat, and I also labeled it with a G for glitter. So here we go. Here's the first one. I feel like there's nothing more satisfying than that first swipe of the top coat, because then you just see that shine come out. Yeah, like that. And then again, I just wipe off my brush so that I don't contaminate even further on my glitter one. And then I'm gonna do one more layer. And this is the more detailed layers. You can add a little bit more on your brush. You want to make sure you really get in there. That is so pretty. Look at that, you guys. It's a little party on my swatch stick. This one is just so pretty and delicate, and I love this one too. I'm gonna add a little bit more. Super pretty. I love that. And then our final one. I can't wait to do a manicure with these and like see how they change colors. Super excited. Look at that shimmer. These turned out beautiful. And these are only the swatch sticks, so I cannot wait to put these on my nails. And that's it. That's how I swatch, and I hope this video was helpful for you guys, and I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.